I've had, I believe, 2 Q&As on my channel before. When I first created my channel, that was the first video I ever posted, was a Q&A. And then I made another one when I made my channel into a Haitian channel. It's been about like probably 3 to 4 years since that first Q&A that I did in English. So I was like, let's answer some more questions about myself so you guys can get to know me more, because, you know, 3 to 4 years, that's a person has changed in that amount of time. So let's get started. My name is Diana. As you can see from the channel name, Diana Marcelin. No, it's funny because like my mom has a middle name, my dad has a middle name, and me and my siblings, we just don't have a middle name. It's the weirdest thing to me, but I guess they just decided y'all aren't gonna have middle names. So my channel is going to be, I'm going to be posting vlogs. I did want to make my channel into a beauty channel, like where I'm doing my makeup, but I realized like over the years, maybe the last 2 years, because of the pandemic and everything, no one really cares about makeup anymore. So I decided it's gonna be more like lifestyle with a little bit of beauty in there. So I'll be showing you guys like how I do my hair, for example, budget friendly type stuff, DIY type stuff, and most definitely I'm going to be doing vlogs. Let me put a disclaimer out there. I'm very awkward when it comes to vlogging outside of being with like my family or friends. So when I'm by myself, I don't like vlogging. That's why if you ever see me post a vlog, it's with my family. But I'm going to try to get out of that because I do, like, I love spending time alone, and I do be going on little activities by myself. So I'm gonna try to vlog. I'm gonna try. I would say I'm a little bit of both because I have a little bit of an artsy side, and I do like math. Like, this is so random, but hold on guys, it's so random. It's just sitting here. So in my free time, like if I just want to relax or something, I love to paint. This is something that I've painted before. I didn't even know what it was until one of my old coworkers, she commented on my Instagram, and I believe this is a princess, and I didn't know that, but I found the idea on YouTube. So if you just type in like painting at home, those videos will just come up. And as for like the mathematics side, when I was in school, I really loved math. Like I remember a lot of my classmates used to be like, I hate math, blah blah blah, I struggle with math, I hate it, blah blah blah. I loved it. I loved the challenge, you know. I'm weird. It is what it is. My favorite holiday would have to be Christmas. I don't know what it is, but like I love giving gifts to the people that I love in my life. So Christmas, I could give gifts on birthdays whenever, but it's just something about Christmas for me that I just love being able to buy my loved ones gifts, whatever they wanted on their Christmas list or something that they weren't expecting me to get them, that I buy. So yeah, Christmas is my favorite holiday. I don't have any children right now. I do want to have 2 kids in the future. That was 4. 2 kids, not 4, Lord, just 2. I just want 2 kids. I said over the years that I want 2 boys, but I think at this point it is what it is, whatever God gives me, but I do want to have a boy first. Am I ready to have kids right now? No. I feel like right now I'm trying to focus on myself and building my career. So yes, no kids right now, soon. So I am not a big drinker at all. When I do go out, I either order a green tea shot made into a cocktail, which one of my friends put me onto. And recently when I went to New York for my birthday, they didn't know how to make a green tea shot. So I was like, all right, what else y'all got for me? I tried a lemon drop and I was like, oh, okay, I like this. So those are my top 2 drinks to get when I go out. I used to like mojitos, but I don't anymore. I don't know what it is. Like, maybe I think over the years, like the more that I keep asking for mojitos, the more turned off I've gotten from the way that they make it. So yes, no more. I'm no longer a mojito girl. I'm most definitely an introvert, and I just love being by myself. I enjoy my company. I just love being by myself. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because, like, growing up, my parents were so strict to the point where I barely went out. So it just made me a homebody, and like, I'm still a homebody to this day. So I just feel like that's what's made me an introvert, but I do have my moments where I can be an extrovert. So I feel like I'm 90% introvert, 10% extrovert. You just had to bring it out of me. If I don't feel comfortable around you, you'll never see that side, because I literally can hang out with my friends' friends and just be mad quiet because I observe people. Like, I don't know, like, I feel like I could read people. Like, most people think like, oh, you know, she's not paying attention. I pay attention to everything. I may not say anything, but I'm paying attention, babes. I feel like I'm more spiritual. I am on this, I don't want to call it a journey, but I am trying to rebuild my relationship with God. I've started praying more. I've started back watching my sermons on Sundays, because I used to be my thing. I would wake up on Sunday, you know, have breakfast, and then around like 11 or 12 I would go on YouTube, and that's where I would watch Transformation Church. I know a lot of people are fans of Transformation Church, so if y'all know, y'all know. I don't know if you guys remember that group B5. So when I used to live in West Palm, I think I was in middle school. I had to have been in middle school. They went to the Wellington Mall. If you are from West Palm, you know that mall. That's like that used to be the hangout spot. They went to the Wellington Mall and they were having like a meet and greet, and I was like, oh my god, B5. I used to be a fan. I can't remember who I used to like. That's how old that group is, but I met them and I got a poster from them. Do I know where that poster is? No, but I did meet them. That's the only celebrity that I've met. I am taking this time to be single, to understand myself, to heal myself emotionally from things that I guess you could say trauma. I'm taking the time now to better myself. I could be in a relationship if I wanted to. I just am choosing to be single during this time. I used to have a celebrity crush. It was Drake. That's why if you've been a subscriber for a minute now, you know that Drake used to be bae, okay? That used to be my honey, sugar iced tea. But yeah, Drake used to be my celebrity crush. My previous channel name was Diana Graham. Everything was Diana Graham. People really thought my last name was Graham because I had it everywhere. But no, my last name is Marcelin, and Drake, you know, he he's there, you know, he's just there. I don't have a celebrity crush anymore. I do find some celebrities, you know, they out there, they're attractive, you know. Who I do find attractive as a celebrity, I still find Drake attractive. I just don't like how he's done his hair now. I don't, it's a no for me. Michael B. Jordan, baby, what up? Who else? Dang, there's this model. I can't remember his name right now. I'll put his picture so you guys can see him. It's something about the chocolates lately for me. Like, I love a man with a beard and chocolate. It's just something about them. Something about them. So that concludes the Q&A. If you guys have any more questions that you would like to know about me, please feel free to leave them down below and I will make a part 2 to this Q&A. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.
Freezing outside.